counselor, and women are president. And because of this, many people are unhappy. And this all happened on November the 8th of 2020, when there was an election going on. The NLD party won by the most votes, and the Myanmar military party got jealous and angry. And on February the 1st of 2021, they took over the country and they captured our leaders. And many people say that this is injustice or unrighteousness. And personally, I think that a country leader or a leader should be good to its people, righteous and truthful, just like in the Bible. And I know that many people in Myanmar are Buddhist, and a Buddha teaching is to be good to people, just like Jesus' teaching, which is to do to people what you would have them to do to you. And the point here is that if you do something to people, they will do it back to you. If we are good to the people, they will be good to us. But the military, they lie to us, and they arrested some people. They captured our leaders, they lied on TV, and they arrested and killed people who told the truth. And so, now, the people of Myanmar, from all of Myanmar, and from the 8 major ethnic groups, Kachin, Kayin, Kaya, Chin, Hmong, Bamar, Rakhine, Shan, all come together as one to protest against the Myanmar military. And we have 4 more reasons why. The first reason is to abolish the dictatorship. The second reason is to demolish the 2008 Constitution. And the third reason is to unify the federal democracy. And the fourth reason is to release the detained leaders. So help us and join Myanmar in this movement and pray for us. Because the Myanmar military has guns and fake power. All we can do is pray. God bless you all and Myanmar.